Be clear with what you want. You see, most of us make dozens of important decisions in life, business, or relationships without actually considering what we really need from it. It is easy to waste time, running in the wrong direction when you do not take time to evaluate where you go. Even today morning, just take for example, when you woke up, how many of us were clear of what we wanted to do today? There are some days when I feel absolutely lost and I keep doing half of my things because I have no clarity in what I want to achieve. Clarity in life can get you way faster to your goal. Clarity in your marriage life, of what you want, what your partner should be like. Family life, milestones and goals can give you meaningful family life. Clarity in what we want to become in where we work. Clarity in where you want to be in the next 2 or 3 years. All of these become so important in gaining success in life. I'll give an example. I recently went to buy a mobile phone. I went to the shop and told I'm here for a mobile phone. Obviously, you don't come to a mobile shop to buy fish. So he asked me some questions. He goes like, "Sir, what's your budget? What features do you need on your phone, sir? Sir, what is the storage you're looking for? Sir, do you need a 4-inch or 5-inch display? Sir, do you want a 48 megapixel triple camera or more? So what processor are you looking for? Sir, do you have any preferred brand in mind?" So, after I answer all of these questions one by one, the sales executive gets exact clarity in which phone suits me. He hands it over to me and I'm happily satisfied. Ask questions in life. Clarity in life can take you to that point which you have been dreaming and can get things done quick and in satisfaction. Even when you talk, make a presentation, convey an idea, remember clarity means everything. Leave no space for a crossroad question. Be clear in what you want to do and convey. Keep asking questions to yourself. What do I want to do? Why and when do I want it to be complete? You see, Jesus makes it clear when you pray, what exactly do you want? Do we pray, "God, bless me, fill me, help them"? Is that what we pray? Or next time when you pray, have clarity in what you ask. "Lord, help me get over this temptation. Lord, heal me from this sickness I have so I can work so and so thing better. Lord, help me communicate well in my family. Lord, give me grace to love that very person I cannot seem to love." When you ask questions about what you need, you get answers. And answers give you clarity. And clarity gives you purpose. And purpose becomes your goal. And you know what? A strong goal can fuel your life for every moment.